Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony, obviously, and this is my YouTube channel. I do a lot of makeup videos and I want to start incorporating other types of videos as well. So if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos. And today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's like a gold smoky cut crease. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call it, but I got the inspo for this look from Daisy Marquez. Not the colors and not the techniques, but just like the look, if that makes sense. I got it from a video that she did, which I will show you guys right here. Insert a screenshot of the video that I got the inspo from. And yeah, because I always feel like if you get inspiration from someone, you should definitely give them credit. So yeah, shout out to her. I didn't even know she made YouTube videos. I followed her on Instagram for a few years, but I had no idea she made YouTube videos, so oops. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it's easy for you guys to follow along, and let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so I look crazy right now, like whoa. I've been doing my eyebrows after my foundation, just kind of trying it out a little bit. First I'm gonna get some caffeine in my system. So, as you can see, I already did this eye, and now I'm just gonna jump in to my other eye. The palette that I'm going to be starting with is the Morphe 350 palette. It's one of my all-time favorites, just a warm, neutral palette. And the color that I'm going to be starting out with is this peachy color right here. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush from the Makeup Shack, and I'm just going to be applying that to my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this brush from Morphe M441, and I'm going to be going into this super bright orange right here, and I'm just going to be applying this to my crease and blending it out. I'm going to be going into this orangey color right here, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease as well. Going to be blending everything out, and you're gonna notice that I go back and forth and do this a lot because you want this look to be nice and blended. Taking Sienna by Anastasia, it's a single shadow right here, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease as well, and packing this on the outer corner and blending it in. Now taking Ground Brown by MAC right here, I'm going to be applying that as well to the outer corner and blending it in. And I'm using a brush that came with one of the Anastasia palettes. For the black, I'm going to be taking my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D and just using the black color and applying this to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm not blending this into my crease, but I'm just kind of focusing it on the outer part of my eye. And so now for my favorite part, I'm going to be cutting the crease like this. So I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match concealer, and I'm just going to be cleaning off the excess and cutting my crease. It looks like that. Taking this brush from Crown, and I'm just going to dab the excess concealer off of my lid using this color from the Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to set that. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with the gold color. And this is Gold Pot by Anastasia. I'm just going to buff out the line between the black and the gold a little bit. The eyeliner I'm going to be taking is the NYC liquid liner, and I actually forgot to do it on this eye, so I'm going to be doing that on both eyes real quick. So I put my lashes on. I feel so crazy without eyebrows on. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me stick foundation, and this is in 220 Natural Beige. And I've been using this foundation for a few weeks now, and I actually like it. It's not my favorite foundation I've ever used, but I like it. And I think that it has nice coverage. It's pretty buildable, not cakey, and I have dry skin, so. But I'm just gonna buff this all over my face. But the thing I like about this foundation is that it's pretty buildable. So after I apply a layer, I can go back into the spots on my face that I feel need a little bit more coverage. I'm just going to add a little bit more foundation on this area of my face because that's where I like the most coverage. And I'm using a Sigma flat angled Kabuki F88 brush to apply this. For my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Pro Glow concealer, and this is in 02 Creamy Natural. And I'm just going to highlight and conceal with this. This is a very thin concealer. It's not thick. If you've tried the Maybelline Fit Me, if you watch my YouTube videos, you know that that's like my favorite concealer ever. This is a little bit thinner than that. It's not as thick. And I'm just going to take my Real Techniques Expert Face Complexion blah whatever the hell this sponge is called, to blend this into my skin. Been baking a lot with the Nye Banana powder. I'm just going to take some of that and bake. Do you guys follow the Ace family? I saw that they're having a girl. I really wanted them to have a boy just because I wanted to see what their little boy would look like, but I'm happy for them that they're having another little baby L. If you don't follow them, I don't know what you're doing, but after their gender reveal, well, I saw a video of it on YouTube. Someone posted it, and I saw it at 3 in the morning. I woke up randomly and started watching it, and then I went back to sleep, and I had a dream that I was at Kylie Jenner's house and that we were friends, and it was a great dream. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera real quick, and I will be right back. I did my eyebrows and I finished my eyes and all that good stuff, so I'm just gonna finish my face. My foundation is looking a little bit too light, just a wee bit. I'm gonna go in with my Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm. It's one of my all-time favorite bronzers, and I'm just going to use this to bronze and contour. And I like this bronzer because it's not super warm. It's pretty neutral. I like the color on my skin tone. BH Cosmetics Professional Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. Looks like this. I'm going to be taking the peachy shade and just blending that back. I love blush so much. I'm just going to deepen up my contour just a little bit, and I'm taking the LA Girl Contour Kit, and I'm just taking a little bit of the darker shade on an angled brush. I'm just kind of chiseling out the cheekbones a little bit. My favorite part, highlight. I'm going to be taking the Mario Badescu facial spray. Taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I jammed my finger into mine. I know, tragic. The packaging kind of sucks, but the highlight is bomb. So I'm going to highlight my nose. Highlight the bridge of my nose. My Cupid's bow. And my cheekbones. And then, because I'm just a little extra, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty in Hustla Baby, this one right here, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit of that as well. And this is really just going to make my face glow. Perfect. Now, for the lips, I'm going to be taking Dose of Colors Cork Liquid Lipstick, and this is one of my favorite nudes. It's a little bit more on the orangey side. It's not like pink at all. I'm just going to go put on some earrings real quick and let my liquid lipstick dry a little bit, and I will be right back. So that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and also when you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys can get updates every time I upload a video. I'm obsessed with this look. This is actually the second time I filmed this look, but what happened was my computer crashed because Final Cut, which is the editing software that I use, and my computer were trying to update at the same time. So when that happened, my computer crashed and basically lost all my files, and I had already deleted the footage from the video that I filmed on my camera. So yeah, it was a big headache this past weekend, but you know, there's nothing you can do about it, so I filmed it again. So this is my second time filming this video for you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any video suggestions or comments or questions, whatever, make sure to comment down below. And also, if you are following my YouTube channel, you know that I'm off of social media for the month of April. If you do want to follow me, I will still have those listed down below. But yeah, I'm not going to be active on those for the whole month of April. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.